Hello friends, welcome to the tootscorner.com videos. Today I am here to tell you about the benefits of quinoa. How is it good for weight loss with a simple recipe. Let us start. Quinoa is similar to rice and is cooking in the same procedure. Is an ideal to make smoothies, dessert, yogurt and salads. It is a widely used grain and is available in red and white. It is very nutritious and have enough essential vitamins and minerals. In compared to high-carb grains, quinoa gains a sustainable position in weight loss. In other words, quinoa is very easy, quick to cook and is delicious too. Now let us see the benefits of eating quinoa. With innumerable health benefits, quinoa is enriching with proteins, various minerals like potassium, phosphorus, copper, zinc, and vitamins like B6, vitamin E, riboflavin, thiamine, and niacin. It is suitable for heart health. It promotes weight loss and maintains blood sugar level. It eases digestion and is beneficial for weight loss. The high amount of lysine present in quinoa helps in the repair and growth of tissues. The protein present in the grain helps in keeping you full for a more extended period and check the cravings. It is rich in fiber and takes time to digest, thus avoid overeating. Quinoa is free from gluten and is an excellent source of plant food. Do you know it is a superfood and a daily bowl of quinoa reduces the risk of cancer, premature death, respiratory and heart diseases and diabetes. It has incredible benefits in hair, skin and health, and most importantly, it lowers your weight if consumed every day. Now let us note down a simple quinoa recipe which is good for weight loss. The simple quinoa salad is perfect for lunch, dinner or as a side dish for getting together and parties. Now let us note down the ingredients for a simple quinoa salad recipe. For this you need 3/4 cup quinoa, 1.5 cups of water, half cup fresh cilantro, 1 tablespoon olive oil, half avocado, honey optional, half cup cherry tomatoes, half lemon, salt and pepper to taste. Now let us see how to prepare a simple recipe. Firstly, rinse the quinoa in a strainer. Bring 1.5 cups of water to boil. Put the quinoa in water and reduce the flame. Cover and cook for another 10 to 15 minutes until all the water is absorbed. While the quinoa is cooking, cut the tomatoes and avocados into half and chop the cilantro. Once you see the quinoa is cooked properly, drizzle with olive oil and honey. Sprinkle with salt and pepper. Stir the quinoa and bring it to room temperature. Stir in avocado, tomato and cilantro. Squeeze the lemon juice over it. Toss properly and enjoy. Serve hot. I hope the information was beneficial for you and you would love to try the quick quinoa salad with your next meal. Thank you.